me. Hey, listen. Listen me and listen me good. Listen man like me. Me a bleach. Right now me a put on the water you cool your fuck.
That's crazy.
What are you watching?
Them I make color. Type shit.
This is what gets you excited?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yo! Today's prerogative is we're going to the beach. You see me? So all I go on a full board and we just get a new car, so we just start it up. Man excited. No dogs them have to edit on the go same way. I don't know the thing though. Look at Kirk. Is sunroof clear, boy?
Wait, bro.
Could I see you?
Where's the
operate.
Where's the what?
Where's the truck stop?
The what?
Where's the truck stop?
What truck stop?
Where you about to go get?
Relax.
Alright, you hear that?
No, for real now. No joke. You just got it. Just chill.
Hey, I only did that shit in a controlled environment. Tell you.
Remember.
I'll take it to the spot. Hey, tell him I'll take it to the spot.
You'll take it to the spot. Alright, let's go then.
House can bumbo clot skate on the toll. Having fun today, Kirk. You enjoying yourself?
It's a good day to have a good day.
I should have blood clot drive and feel left out. I should have blood clot drive, not true? Sega, I like the passenger princess sometime. Yeah, you have to hold my hand, dog.
Yo, stop touching me.
Oh my god, he took off his turn. Watch it. Watch it. Them are go until the white people them kick we out. Wait! Hear me talk about the white people them kick we out. What about white friend? We're good. We're just this hood rat friends, you know? Hood rat friends. Woo! Hood rat friends.
You ever got caught? That's motor vehicle contest, jail, locked up, car takeaway.
But we have white friends, so we're good.
I ain't gonna lie, he can't lie. My shit, look, he took that corner kind of smooth.
Nah, you take all those corners kind of smooth. Remember when we were speeding, I was like, all right, I'm gonna get both of y'all around the corner. I came up to your friend, he was in the left lane, I'm in the right lane, we're in the corner. You hooked. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, damn.
Bro, I was feathering the fuck out the throttle, bro. You don't
hooked?
understand.
Nah, you hooked. Well, it looked like you hooked. Like, the car was all-wheel drive for a short period of time.
Tell what?
It looked like a car was an all-wheel drive for a short period of time.
Shut
Bro, I was feathering the fuck out that thought.
I was like, I'm like bending the shit out of it, and y'all keeping up on me around the corner is kind of crazy.
Yeah, nigga, I wasn't trying to hit that nigga chick, cause that nigga Thomas can drive, but this nigga got no fear in his heart. That's the problem.
Yes.
He don't know when to give up.
Nah, he's crazy. I know. I wasn't even gonna follow you most of the time. I was like, this nigga's on me. All right, let's go.
I'm like, this nigga. Do not have to.
He said he don't have no fear in his heart.
This man said I no fear in him.
You don't got no fear. I'm thinking, I thought he was about to get pulled because the cop sped up to ran his tag.
Yep, he right behind me. That's why I went to the right lane. The middle lane, I should say. I peeped that.
Bro.
That was kind of
That's why I was like, all right. I was like, I'm going to cool it. And then he took that turn. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm back on BS.
I wish I had the GoPro on. I took it off because I didn't know we were going to do anything crazy. Especially around fucking deer.
Yeah.
Bro, I thought Marky ain't catch nothing, did he?
Yeah, he did.
You know me, girl.
He did.
I need those clips, Trent.
He did. That shit was wild. I ain't gonna hold you. That shit was wild.
Like, it was to the point where man said, like, you know what? I should be driving him.
What?
If I got that on the GoPro, that would be a clip. I ain't gonna lie. From POV.
Jano, dog.
Yo, the muscles on the outside, we protect our German friends, man. You know what I'm saying? What's wrong with them? Let a nigga pull up, nigga. We got y'all.
Okay.
Mark, fuck you.
No, but you know, you take a look at car not good. I probably cause you're close to water, you know, cause you know you're in a boat and them something, so you're in a natural
Bye.
Dog vexed. Why have your little brother back? Get it together, man.
I'm not letting you use it, bitch.
Please,
Fuck.
please.
Fuck off.
It can't fit. It can't fit. It can't
Fuck off.
fit.
CJ, you want to put a shoe in here or something?
I got my bag.
In my bag.
I got my bag.
That's how you have your brother.
Put your bag in my bag. You know what I'm saying?
Put here. Put this in there, please.
Where y'all bring your iPad?
Editing. Jano Alex. Is it really Jano Alex?
But that's good though. As I told him, relax. You just got the car.
That is true. Una fuckery, you know. Una fuckery. Can you go tell them, man?
He and him started it.
Listen. Oh, wait.
I just got this one, but I've been had the price.
No, but listen. You guys tell the man to behave himself, you know. Specifically.
You gotta understand.
I know it's like, what? I came up on him in the right lane. And I was like, he's hooked. Both of y'all. Hooking her in the corner.
This nigga don't drop traction control on.
I was like, yeah.
You know what?
Nah.
All the way off. I let you.
Nah, I was like,
control off.
I was like, yeah.
You gotta do that when you turn the car.
I was like, yeah, I got him. These niggas hooking around the corner.
No, man, sir.
You drive a traction control?
I got no traction control. My stability control system is out.
Yeah, I ain't driving my shit off too.
It's winning, man.
Once I'm in sport mode, but I'm all-wheel drive. So.
Close.
A red car, a blue car, and a silver car.
No, but you see the thing is, we're good because we have a white friend. White friend. You don't know.
It don't
the
count.
Huh?
It don't count.
No, it count.
It don't count. He got a record.
Huh?
He in the same boat as us.
2 hours later.
By the wheel.
Oh, got some. I might get some like. I like these, but I might go like them skinnier bottoms.
About you later?
How about you, no son, boy?
Sit down. Thing is, my dad's coming and he wants me to cook.
Oh.
That's even better.
Hey, some boy can't say nothing to me again, no, cause the breeze are blowing on my beard, you know. Yeah.
You do Hulu, you know?
My longer than fear, you know.
Bro, you got like 10 hairs, nigga.
Boy longer than fear. Boy longer though. Inches.
You got like 10 hair right there, bro. That's
Inches.
like 10 of them things.
Inches. And shot that stubby like, boy. Fuck off. Give me a load. Watch it now. Twirly. You can't twirl it a bumper club. Huh?
Wow.
Show me.
Wow.
Yeah, pinch it. I want finger me use. Go ahead. Huh? What finger?
No, you just went like this.
Come on, you have fool, man. Go ahead. Wait. No, go so quick. Give me a load. Shut up. Malik, down. No, cause you see things money, you know. Money now going on. But just want to know say you're shouting. I would get a red key, man. Yeah, that's why you feel love, you know. Cool down. And this is what I'm talking about. This is why I don't go near American dude waters. Cause this is not safe. Huh? Yeah man, your blood clot here, I come in bumbo clot. No. You see me? Hey, listen me and listen me good. You see man like me? Me a teach. Right now me a put. I know what you call your fuck.
Making my way downtown. Walking fast.
This don't feel right. It don't feel right. Some boy said I'm faster than that.
You gotta be a race.
Some boy said I'm faster than that.
What up?
My name and chat me fuck Reno.
Hold on, your shit's
Are you marked? You set, go! Hold it. CJ, let me get it. CJ.
Set, go! What?
If it can't be Clyde,
Hey, that's what it means.
if it can't be Clyde, it can't be me. Are you marked? Get set, go! The V6 broke down. The V6 broke down. V6 broke down. No, V6 one not told this, you know.
Every time the nigga lose, something happen.
Where the ball footage to?
Second time I walk it too, you know.
Yeah. Me name say I'm coordinated, but just somebody fast.
Running on the same.
Man, somebody fast, me never somebody coordinated. Before wheel drive. What, my car?
What?
No, what to say?
No, what to say?
What's either word? Find it. Rear wheel drive and all wheel drive. So move up my two and spin out in them.
V6 broke down.
This is why I stick to content.
Hey!
We got basketball this week. Remember we got basketball week this week. Don't do it.
Basketball, nigga. I got basketball.
Sure.
Watch this. Word, we did that basketball together.
What the fuck just happened to him?
He wanted to send up. He wanted to see himself. You're pussy.
No, but you want to get wet up though.
No, I been got wet. Right. Yeah, big one can, nigga.
CJ, based off of beach experience, what is American Dude Activities beach like? That's what I'm calling it. I know where I was born. Where's that? Yeah, God, this shit looks scary from far.
Yeah, this shit is wild. Look, we can surf right next to at the front.
No, for real.
Like literally, big old wave right there from. Like, and I go a little bit out, 7 feet. Nope.
Can you realize that nobody not pass yourself? You did? Yeah, Yeah? This is how people die, you see? Anyways, we're gonna go get food. Goodbye.